Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 16th, and this is my analysis for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Short ways, if you've been watching my videos and following along, then you're probably along right now because last night I said that this looks like it's going to go up for a long. Last night I was saying that this looks more like this is the A, and the fact that this is five waves up makes me think that this is an A of B and this is a B of B. So if this is correct, that means we are likely in a wave C of wave B right now, which means it probably will not go up and make a new high, but rather it will likely turn around this 100% Fibonacci extension someplace around the 1.142, 1.140 area. So if it does go up into this area and then make an impulsive turn down with a break of structure, especially if it does break structure, that's going to give us even more confidence that it really is the end of an ABC of B, and then we will likely get a pretty good push to the downside for a wave C. Now, don't get me wrong, this could turn into a one, this could be a wave two, and it could just go down for wave three. That is definitely possible also. Once it does start to move down, the best thing for us to do is throw a Fibonacci extension on there, and we can definitely tell the difference between a wave three and a wave three with the help of Fibonacci extension and a little bit of light knowledge about Elliot wave and the relationship between wave threes, wave Cs, and Fibonacci levels. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.